Good morning, Mrs. Lane. Thank you so much for joining me this morning on this interview. Okay, Mrs. Lane, tell me, how did you hear about this job? With my two guy them. Now must with my ears, miss. Sure. Well, Mrs. Broadshoulders, thank you so much for having me. But your company is a very huge company, highly publicized. Nonetheless, I read about you on the internet. Okay. All right. And Mrs. Lane, why did you leave your last job? Ladies, it's a serious question. I don't like stress and them that stress me over them. I love money and them never did appear. And if we're not going to do the same thing over here, so miss, please don't even bother hire me. I'm a strong believer in organizational growth, and I feel as though I was not growing at the pace that I wanted to grow or should be growing. So I had to leave. This here. And Mrs. Lane, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years from now? Oh God, she not serious. Miss, you think that if me didn't know she me go there in the next 5 years, would have sit down here so in front of you would have look bad we get where I nudge my teeth them? Miss, I don't know she me go there in the next 5 years. If me didn't know she me go there tomorrow, my bad a lot of number them from tonight some could have win it. Miss Broad Shoulders, me don't know. Well, hopefully, since your company seems big and strong on organizational growth, I hope that I will be in some form of management position in the next 5 years. Awesome. And last but not least, Mrs. Lane, how much do you think you are valued? How much do you think that this company should pay you, Mrs. Lane? Oh God, girl, everything. Every money wanna offer you, so me feel like say that me value. Me feel like say that me worth. Bright. I can't put a monetary value on myself, but my work speaks for itself. And I strongly believe that I should be offered the maximum that this company has to offer.